Have a Jeep Compass. So you can see the corrosion. Maybe if I turn the light on. See the corrosion on the battery relay, especially back in the corners, back in there. That is the small battery. Big battery, cable tight. Those cables look corroded. Definitely use it with a cleaning. And then when we get up here to the main, that seems to be a problem. I shouldn't be able to move that. And when we go over here, the code that we pulled out of the vehicle was a P2 AF5 starter relay stuck on. And if we go down here, that's the possible ones. Open charging system fuse and the battery distribution unit. Poor connection at the auxiliary battery. High resistance and fuse circuit to the PCM. Well, that could be because we're not connected properly. So we'll have to look and see if this relay is going bad or if it's just the fact that it's the battery cable loose.